Blessed afternoon to all of you. Umali kayo, wawagi. And feel the spirit that we have in Nueva Era, the Umali spirit. It is by God's grace that we are all gathered at this place, Barangay Ugis, Nueva Era, Ilocos Norte, wondering and admiring this newly constructed yet unfinished house of God. Everybody is struck with awe. Let me tell you an enticing story on how we come out with this church. The church is a building, and the church is community of disciples. Responding to the earnest invitation of the Holy Father, Pope Francis, to go to the peripheries, the Most Reverend Renato Mayugba reflected on to reach out to the people of God on these far-flung barrios of Nueva Era to establish a mission church at this place. With much prayer and consultation, he decided to send a priest to pastor the flock of this community. In 2018, our bishop enthusiastically sent Reverend Father Howard Lee Baliton as the first chaplain and declared that this mission community would be under the patronage of Mary, the Mother of the Church. Subsequently, Mary, Mother of God Mission Church was born. Born from the Mother Parish of St. Gabriel Archangel Parish, Nueva Era. Having the ecclesiastical jurisdictions of barangays Ugis and Barangubong of Nueva Era, and two barangays of Barok, Kamanga, and Madupayas. As years passed by, the parish priest of St. Gabriel then, Father Danilo de Barras, with the permission of the bishop, patiently coordinated with the LGU of Nueva Era to look for spacious lot where the church structure be built. The diocese and the LGU Nueva Era sat down together to iron out the hindrances and challenges to facilitate the swapping of the land, where a meager portion of church lot be swapped with this spacious lot where the church now stands. Reshuffling of priest assignments happened by the year 2021. Father Mitchell Valdepeña was tasked to take hold of the challenges as the new chaplain of this mission territory, while I, your humble priest, was assigned as the pastor of St. Gabriel, the Mother Parish. The bishop, our bishop, has one specific instruction to us, Your Grace. As we receive our appointment, he emphatically told us to go on a mission, to go to the peripheries of Nueva Era. Father Mitchell and I, together with our good mayor, held multiple meetings to put the last nail. Literally, Your Grace, I ran to the mayor's office several times during office hours and more meetings outside office hours, begging him to fast-track the documents needed for the swapping. In our native parlance, you will understand this. Kinulit-kulit ko po si Apo Mayor until his patience ran out. And finally, after 2 long years of hopeful waiting, the day of swapping was sealed. And so, during the past pastoral feast of this mission church last year, the deed of swapping was signed by the bishop, by the chancellor, yours truly, and the mayor of this town, witnessed by the whole Christian community, paving the way for the church construction. Our generous Mayor Aldrin Garbida did not waste any second or moment. He immediately started the planning of the construction of the church. He personally supervised the construction of this church, and through his magnanimous heart, he shouldered all the initial expenses of this church. So far, what a heart, what a man. He sought the advice of the bishop pertaining to the structure and shape of the building. Thank you, Apo Obispo, for your inspiration. Lo and behold, this octagonal-shaped structure is standing tall, kissing and embracing the mystical beauty of Nueva Era. Here stands the Church of Ugis. My God, presently, this church is far from its completion. However, I believe, by God's grace, and touching the hearts of generous people, and with the unparalleled support of all the priests of the Diocese of Lawag, and of course, with the loving supervision of the bishop, this church will soon rise majestically, just in time when we host the Christ the King celebration comes November. We will see you again when we celebrate the Christ the King this coming November. Your Grace, Most Reverend Charles John Brown, it is indeed a great honor to have you today. The whole of Nueva Eras, we are so blessed to see you, the representative of the Pope. This is once in a lifetime experience that you bring to us. Thank you, Your Grace, in accepting our invitation to become a member of our tribe. Through the sacred rite that we just had, we are so happy to have you, our Apostolic Nuncio, to be a member of our Tingyan tribe. Wow! What a feeling! It is indeed energetic. You will become a part of our tribe? Oh my God, I cannot imagine. Anyway, thank you very much. Your Grace, you have touched our lives. You have strengthened our faith. You have empowered us to continue scouring the peripheries of Nueva Era. We will be forever indebted, Your Grace. And we are so grateful as you visit our humble and lowly community. In the name then of the whole diocese, as the parish priest of St. Gabriel, the Mother Parish, where this mission church belongs, may I humbly ask you, please impart your apostolic blessing on us and on this church to make it holy and worthy for our liturgical celebration. Your Grace, thank you in advance and pray for us so that we will continue the mission to go out to the peripheries of this place. Thank you, and God bless us all.